Welcome to Car TV, your ultimate destination for all things automotive, where passion meets performance. If you love cars that define power and legacy, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the most thrilling machines on the road. When you hear the name Mustang, you think of raw American muscle and iconic street presence. But for 2026, Ford has decided to bring back a true legend, the Mustang Boss 429. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of power and engineering mastery that harks back to the glory days of American muscle while embracing modern technology. The original Boss 429 was introduced in 1969, primarily as a homologation special to qualify the engine for NASCAR. It was rare, it was powerful, and it became an instant icon. Fast forward to 2026, and Ford has resurrected that beast with a vengeance. This new generation Boss 429 is not just a tribute, it's a redefinition. Under the hood, you'll find the heart of the beast, a monstrous 7.0-liter V8, hand-built with precision and performance in mind. Ford has pulled out all the stops, fitting it with dual overhead cams, forged internals, and a twin-throttle body intake system. This powerplant churns out a staggering 750 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated Mustang ever built. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, the connection between driver and machine is pure and unfiltered, just as it should be. But raw power is only part of the story. Ford has equipped the 2026 Boss 429 with advanced suspension dynamics. An independent rear suspension, magnetic dampers, and a track-tuned setup mean that this Mustang isn't just built for straight-line speed. It hugs corners with precision, staying planted and confident even at high speeds. It's the kind of balance that modern engineering brings to classic muscle DNA. The exterior design is unmistakably Mustang, but with aggressive cues that set the Boss 429 apart. A massive hood scoop feeds cool air into that monster V8, while flared fenders house wider tires for better grip. The front fascia is sharper, with aerodynamic enhancements that not only look aggressive but also serve functional purposes. Around back, quad exhaust tips belt out that signature Mustang roar, reminding you that this is no ordinary pony car. Inside, the Boss 429 is both modern and nostalgic. Premium leather seats with Boss 429 stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and carbon fiber accents give it a race-inspired feel. The latest Sync 5 infotainment system is onboard, seamlessly blending technology with raw power. But don't get it twisted, this car is still all about driving. There are minimal distractions, just you, the machine, and the open road. Ford is offering the 2026 Boss 429 in a range of bold colors reminiscent of its 1969 predecessor, including Grabber Blue, Wimbledon White, and Shadow Black. Production numbers are rumored to be limited, making it a collector's dream. And with its blend of retro muscle and modern engineering, it's destined to be a future classic. The 2026 Mustang Boss 429 is more than just a car. It's a legend reborn. It's the roar of American muscle, reimagined for the modern age. If you're a fan of pure, unadulterated power and iconic design, this Mustang is a masterpiece worth dreaming about. Thanks for watching Car TV. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mustang Boss 429, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in automotive excellence. Until next time, keep your engines running and your dreams on the road.